Alright, hello YouTube watchers, this is Daniel. I'll be showing you my nano reef aquarium I've set up. This is about 3 hours into it. And I'll just explain to a little bit about what's going on here. I got the Evolve 8 tank back here in the filtration system. I did a modification that I'll leave a description video for. You can see where I split the chamber actually into two. Change the light, see if it'll help out. Yeah, that does. And in the first chamber, there is just some filter pad down there. That's really just to absorb the larger pieces of stuff. As you can see here, this is just what I got. Just cut it up a little bit, put it in there. It's pretty thick. And in the second chamber in the bottom, I have this Matrix Live Rocks stuff. I'm not really sure what this does. The guy said it might be a good idea to put that in there, and then I'm going to leave this in there throughout the course of this tank. I will never take this out. And then on top I got some Chemipure. I didn't get the Elite yet, just testing it out, seeing if I really thought this was decent. This is like the carbon version of it. And then in the back over here I got a heater. I turned it up to 82. I'm trying to rise my water temperature right now. As you can see, you cannot see that in this, but it is at about 72. I need to rise that up to around 80 is what I've been reading about. Got some live rock, some pretty nice live rock. There is some coral or something right there. It might be a little feather duster. I do not know. And then there's also a soft coral on top. Looks like that is having some struggle, if you can see that from that angle. So right now I still have the regular light, plan to upgrade that. Getting an ultra bright system, as I saw in a YouTube video, seems to be helping a fellow nanoer with his aqueon Evolve 8. As well as I'm getting a miniature protein skimmer to really just lower parts of my nitrogen cycle before they get into the ammonia level. And for sand, I just have about 5 pounds of this type of sand down here. I think it's pronounced argonite. It says seafloor special grade reef sand. And I got this tank for about $81 from PetSmart. And let's see, just some price breakdowns. The Chemipure was $12.99. I believe this was roughly $10. Floss pad was $5.99. Live rock was pretty expensive. That was actually only $54 worth of live rock. The sand was $25. They only had the larger bag, which kind of hurt for me. And then for every 5 gallons of salt water was $6. Kind of pricey, but I guess there's not much you can do at that point. I'm trying to see. I actually already had the temperature gauge, and I got a hydrometer, a little nano one coming in pretty soon. Don't have any actually chemicals to test this myself, but it shouldn't really have any problems the first few days, first week. If anybody has any questions or wondering about my setup, and I'll keep all updated about seeing how it does. If anybody wants to attempt to copy this setup, I will rearrange this live rock. It's just kind of in there now because it was real cloudy earlier from the original placement. Alright, thank you.